Hello everyone. I am going to walk you through how to view a student submission and a Tk20 rubric for student feedback at the same time in your Tk20 field binders. So once you've opened a student's Tk20 field binder, you're going to go to the tab where the work is housed that they've submitted. So in this case, it's the Fall Fieldwork tab. I'll see here the blue link for the lesson plan submission for my student that I'm evaluating. And I will scroll down until I see their submission here, and I will select View and Annotate. Once their submission has opened here on the left, in this case a Harry Potter Quidditch gym lesson, I am going to go to the right side of my screen, which holds all of my forms. And I'm going to scroll down until I see the rubric that matches this particular assignment, so weekly lesson plan. So once I open up this rubric, it's going to either be one where I can quickly say, yes, I reviewed it, here's my comments for the student, and I'll type my comments here. And then I'll scroll to the bottom. I can ignore the grade field because this is not submitting a grade, and the grade field is a default, it just appears, so you can disregard that. And then I can either hit save if I'm not finished but I want to come back to it, or I can hit complete if I want the student to see my feedback. So if I scroll down now, you will see that this particular item is now locked for editing and the red flag is gone, which means it's no longer pending, and I can still open it and see the feedback I've provided to my student. If I scroll down a little bit farther, I can see a weekly lesson plan here. Whoops, that's the one I just completed. And remember, never hit the back button at the top of your screen. Always go down and either hit the close button to close the entire binder, or at the top you can hit the close button to go back. So I'm going to go down and find my rubric. There it is. I'm going to open up my rubric and I will see all of these items here that I can fill in the radio buttons. The score is automatic. It does have a comment field. And as I complete each of these, I can adjust the score if I don't want to give them 2 points. It's if, let's say, it's 10, 5, and 1, and I want to give them 4, I can change the points manually. And I'll complete all of these items, and then again, when I get to the bottom of my rubric, I'll see the rubric score, I will ignore the grade field, and I will hit complete. And that will allow me to complete the form. So that's how I view a student assignment and the rubric at the same time and get that feedback submitted.